All right, 4-card. Keno. 3 sets of winning AI Keno numbers. In this video, watch the last 2 sets of Keno numbers. They are winners. Subscribe to win more often at Keno. Let's go to our first set of AI Keno numbers, already in progress.
Okay, we refer to this 10 spot as Group 1. Notice the C and D card are the same Keno numbers. If you're not using AI Keno numbers, try these 5 and mix them with your lucky Keno numbers. Write them down and leave a comment when you win a jackpot. Let's go to another 10 spot and see if we can do better.
Question: do you play a 10-spot Keno number on 4-card? We do, only to change the Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more free AI Keno 10 spots. Be a winner at Keno. Let's go to more live casino play, and let's see if this strategy works.
Okay, the upper left of the Keno card is our favorite. Yes, the A card has a 7 out of 10. Don't miss out. Capture these free Keno numbers and win at Keno. Subscribe for more hot Keno numbers. Okay, next, let's go back to our lower left 10 spot for the best Keno 10 spot of the day.
Okay, we've shared our Keno numbers for years. Winning Keno numbers at the bottom left of the Keno card are hard to come by. Try this next 10 spot and place a bet you are comfortable with. Comment below when you hit a jackpot. Let's see how this 10 spot works for us today.
Listen up. Do you hear that? That's the sound of money. Write these Keno numbers down. Yes, the C and D cards are the same 10 spot. Also, today it was the same machine and the same Keno numbers where earlier we hit 6 out of 10 for 240 credits. Don't miss out. Capture these free Keno numbers and win at Keno. Subscribe for more Keno numbers and strategies. Beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.